Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a demo and review of the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey line leave-in conditioner and Coil Sculpting Custard. So if you guys did not see my previous video, I actually tried out the shampoo and conditioner. So definitely go check that out before you start this one or after. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you tried this line before and what your favorite combos are. And yeah, so let's get into it. So I'm starting out with freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I also detangled as well. And if you guys want to see how I did that again, just check out my previous video and I'll link it up above. And as usual, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 just so that it's easier to work with, and it also helps to reduce breakage and tangles. And now I'm going to add a few pumps of the leave-in conditioner. And this stuff smells so good. I really do love how this line smells. And now I'm going to work that into the first section. And I really like how this leave-in conditioner just melts right into your hair. It also helps to detangle again if you didn't get a chance to detangle when you washed. And now I'm going in with the curl smoothie, and I totally did not realize that it said soft definition when I picked it up. So my hopes are not that high and I decided to try it out anyways. So I took a couple pumps and I'm just working that through my hair, and I am noticing right away that it's not really doing anything for my hair. I'm not getting any hold or anything like that. No definition, no nothing. It just looks like I put some more leave-in conditioner on my hair. And by this point, I'm realizing that this is probably not going to work. So I tried to section that into a smaller section, and I thought maybe I could try doing the finger coils, but that was not working either. So I tried to do an even smaller section, and again, it was not doing anything. So at that point, I just gave up and I was like, this is not gonna work. So thankfully, I did have a sample package of the Coil Sculpting Custard just lying around in my room, and that says it had a deep definition hold. So I decided to try it out and see if it would work and would fix the failed attempt at this wash and go with the curl smoothie. So immediately I noticed that the consistency looked a bit more like what I was used to. It wasn't a creamy looking custard. It was almost like a jelly. So I again went ahead and just smoothed that into small sections. And I was noticing that it was, you know, giving me a bit more of a definition and a bit more curl and hold, but it still wasn't as good as what I'm used to. And I don't know if you guys know, but I really do love Eco Styler gel. I know that a lot of people are not using it anymore because of some of the reports that they've had about their ingredients. But for me, I have not been able to find another gel that gives me the hold and definition that the Eco Styler gel does. So until I can find something like that, then honestly, I think I'm going to be sticking with it. And yeah, I was totally missing my Eco Styler at this point. Yeah, I was just really not impressed at all. It was not doing anything for my hair. And I was kind of dreading having to go through the rest of my hair. So this is the finished look. To be honest, I really was not pleased with how it turned out. I mean, it looks okay at that point, but I did end up diffusing and my hair just still felt super sticky. I really didn't like how it dried. There was no definition. It was just a big frizz ball. So I just ended up rinsing that out and, you know, applying my Eco Styler and just doing my regular wash and go routine. And also guys, if you want to see my wash and go routine, just let me know in the comments and I will do that video for you guys, because I know I haven't done one in like 2 years. So yeah, let me know if you're interested in seeing that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because as I said again, I will be coming out with a bunch of new videos and even some other stuff other than hair tutorials. So if you guys want to see that content, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.